off normally with 10 degrees for soft field?
You can do whatever you want. If you are going to do a soft field takeoff. Flaps 10 or 20, so 10's fine.
Yeah.
Back pressure, keep the nose up, and rotate at 60 miles an hour still.
Really?
Yeah. 60, 50.
Okay.
Yeah.
Oh, yeah, 16. All right.
Yep. Then best rate of climb is 88, but you don't.
Okay. You just keep the nose up the entire time, and then I guess you really rotate.
Well, that's a soft field land takeoff. So as soon as you get off the ground, you can transition to a regular takeoff.
Yeah.
You're clear.
Clear?
Yep.
Alright, and we're gonna go back to Zeli?
Yeah.
Alright, so which way is that? That's just to the
traffic
west.
to the 1452 uniform, right crosswind 26, departing the north, Butler.
Butler traffic, Skylane 42364, departing runway 26, will be a west departure, Butler traffic.
Okay, and prior to takeoff, make sure the mixture is rich.
Yep. Lights, strobes.
Yep.
Action.
Lights, camera, action. I like it. Great. Little crosswind from the left.
Yep. Alright, don't want to stop. Soft field. Power. There's 60. Here we are after clear the 50-foot obstacle, which we have. Flaps up.
Well, you were doing a modified soft field, short field. That was just a soft field. There is no 50-foot obstacle.
Oh, really?
Yeah.
I think we trained with one.
Yeah. So that's the only thing.
Yeah, because you would keep it in ground effect too.
Yeah.
But I didn't feel
soft
like doing
field,
that.
it's ground effect. So you did a short field, soft field.
Ah.
Which basically is
Failure.
failure on both. So it's either one or the other. Roger that?
Yeah, I know.
Alright. But good takeoff. So now you can pull the power back to 25 inches RPM. Leave that one. Do this one first. Had you did it the wrong way before.
That RPM, and I was like, oh.
Yeah.
I started pulling that back.
Alright. So you can bring it back 24 because we're not going high or anywhere really. And now pull this back to 24, 2350. Alright, turn the heat on. So, pretty good lights. I can turn the console lights on like that, or that. I think that's better.
Yeah, I like that.
Alright, so we can change frequencies to Zeli. And no reason to climb any higher. Oh, there's that fracking well right there, Rob.
I see it, yeah.
Drove past. That's Brownsdale Road. Vicnor sod farm right there.
Zelienople traffic, Cessna 684 Sierra Papa, taking off runway 35 to the north, Zelienople.
Okay, so we have to land north 35 at nighttime at Zeli.
Okay.
Time at, around dusk or after. There's the Vogel landfill. There's the collector for all the gas. They burn off some gas for some reason I don't understand. Why would anybody want to burn natural gas? I don't get it. And Hartman's Deep Valley Golf Course, which is the most dangerous golf course to play on.
Sierra Papa is going to be departing to the north, Zelienople.
And there's Seneca Valley's campus.
I gotta talk real quick. Zelienople traffic, Skylane 42364, 3 miles to the south, east, inbound for runway 35. We'll be crossing over midfield, Zelienople. That was a jumbled call.
That was good enough. Alright, so you want to descend to 2,000 feet for Zeli. Across midfield. The left downwind, 35. Alright, landing checklist. Brief, check, carb heat as required, flaps as required, cowl flaps closed. Oh yeah, close your cowl flaps. Forgot that. Damn it. Mixtures set, everything looks good. Basically it's a GUMPS check, gas, undercarriage, mixture, props. Carb heat.
Zelienople traffic, Skylane 42364, crossing over midfield for left downwind runway. I quit saying 4.
Yes, you do. Short, brief, clear, concise sentences. Alright, now you call left downwind, which I'm sure you know.
Yep. Zelienople traffic, Skylane 42364, left downwind, runway 35, Zeli.
There's the cracker playing at 12 o'clock. See all the lights blinking?
Beaver?
Yep, yep.
Why are they both blinking like that? That looks crazy.
I don't know.
I think there's an emergency going on.
Okay, carb heat. First notch of flaps. And get below 110 before you turn base.
Alright.
And you can go full prop now.
And turning base. Zelienople traffic, Skylane 42364, turning left base runway 35, Zeli.
So 90 on base, 80 on final. Okay, gas good, undercarriage good, mixture good, props good. 3 green, so
3 green.
As we fly a twin, we always say that no matter what airplane we're flying. 3 green, down and welded, whatever you gotta say.
Alright. Full flaps. I'll turn final.
Yeah, I'd wait till you turn final.
Alright. Zeli traffic, Skylane 42364, turning final, runway 35, Zeli.
Yep, full flaps and click your mic 5 times. Yep. Okay, 80 is what we're looking for. You're flying it like I am, usually flying it fast.
No glide slope.
No, no VASI. Amateurs use VASI.
Yeah.
All about the don't hit my front wheel.
Yep.
80's perfect. Love it. Down and welded, 3 green. Let it pay off. Hold it up. Hold that nose up. Oh yeah. In the center line. Fly brakes. Turn off on the Alpha 2. Look at you, my little pilot. Do one more loop around, or so you have 3 landings?
Up to you.
No, it's up to you. I don't care.
I'll do 3.
All right. So cow flaps open.
I gotta remember we have cow flaps.
All right. Repetition is how we do
Yeah.
it. Lean the mixture a little more. I like it out a little more. A little more. There you go. I like that. Okay, and make sure you trim for takeoff.
Alright.
Alright, so you're not using any nose-up trim for landing, you're just doing it all with muscle.
Pretty much. I probably should.
Good, it makes it a lot easier.
Alright. Zeli traffic, Skylane 42364, clear of the active, taxiing back to runway 35, Zeli.
Alright, we'll pause it till we get to the end of the runway.
Zeli traffic, Skylane 364, taking off runway 35, left closed traffic, Zelienople.
Zelienople traffic, Skyhawk 9887 is 5 miles to the northwest, inbound landing 35, Zeli.
Alright, so he's northwest, so we'll be turning right into him.
Zeli traffic, Cessna 6104, taxiing from fuel pumps to Condor hangars via Alpha, Zeli.
Oh, we can just go straight and turn in behind them?
Well, look at that, there's a guy over here northeast. See him over there in the air?
Yeah.
So he's calling it either wrong, which I believe.
Okay, yeah, that's probably it. But we're good to go.
Yeah, we're good to go.
$60. Yeah, I don't see anyone to the northwest.
Yeah, me either. But my ADSB shows one northwest.
Oh, yeah, shoot.
Zelienople traffic, Skyhawk 9887 has the departing traffic in sight. What direction are you heading, guys?
I'll be at the radios.
Alright.
We are going to stay in the pattern, so we're going to be turning left crosswind. We'll allow you to join the downwind. We'll come in behind you.
Roger that, entering the downwind. You guys see me as well?
Say again?
Yeah, just wanted to make sure that you see me as well.
Yeah, we see you, and we'll be coming in behind you.
Fantastic.
What kind of plane are you?
Cessna 172, 9887.
Roger that, thanks.
Alright, he's going to be a lot slower than us.
Yep.
So we'll just, you can go out further.
Skyhawk 9887 is entering 45 to the downwind for 35, Zeli.
Yep, you can level up right here.
Yep, wonder what that guy's doing.
Pull your power back to 20 inches of manifold pressure. Manifold pressure first. And just stop at 21. And then pull this back to 2350.
Oh, wow.
Zelienople traffic, Skyhawk 9887
With twisting,
35, Zelienople.
Yeah.
Alright, and close your cowl flaps. And lean your mixture. Right to 13 gallons per hour. Alright, now you can turn crosswind. See how easy it becomes?
Yeah.
Just you do it over and over again?
Yeah. Zeli traffic, Skylane 364, turning left crosswind, runway 35, number 2.
Okay, now, hit the visual approach button right there. Hit visual 35. Activate. Okay, and that'll give you a localizer right to the runway.
Oh, cool.
Because there's a big mountain at Zeli, they don't have any vertical guidance like the Butler one does, Rome.
Yeah.
Alright, so it's just a localizer.
Okay.
Helps you plan your turn on the final. And you can see it'll be right here. It's already drawn like an HSI.
Yeah. Zelienople traffic, Skylane 364, left downwind, runway 35, Zeli.
Zelienople traffic, Skyhawk 9887 is turning left base 35, Zeli.
Oh, this is a fun night. We should do this every day.
Yeah.
Whenever it's calm.
Yeah.
When it's bouncy, it's too much work.
Taking advantage of this good weather.
Yeah. All right, everybody. It's December 17th, 2021.
Southwest traffic, 2 Papa Alpha.
Rome is 19.
We'll be entering runway.
I'm almost 40.
Zelienople traffic,
Almost.
Skyhawk 9887 is turning final 17, Zeli.
The airplane's 53. Yeah, my airplane we're flying is 53 years old. It was my father's. He bought it brand new in 1968 from the dealer, and it is still flying like a brand new airplane today. I just put a brand new engine in it from PPONK for the Northpoint 470 XP something or other, and it's really good. I increased the horsepower from 230 horsepower to 275 horsepower with the new engine, and it's very, very noticeable on speed and climbing. Climbs like a homesick angel, as they say in aviation. That's my aviation geek coming out of me.
Alright, carb heat and 10 degrees right here.
Carb heat 10 degrees. Very nice. Alright, and go ahead and screw the prop in a little. Okay, good.
Put on the 110 for base.
Yep. It's just a matter of pulling the nose up.
Yep. There it is.
There it is. 20 degrees of flaps and the call base.
Zeli traffic, Skylane 364, turning left base, runway 35, Zeli.
And at this point you can put full prop in, prop the whole in.
Alright, prop gas,
Yeah,
undercarriage, mixture, prop
Yeah,
bridges.
yep, gas, good, undercarriage,
Oh,
good.
it's burning tons of stuff
traffic,
right there.
Kayak 9 887 is clear the active.
3 green. Yeah, this guy's burning. 2 big fires. Probably Butler County here allowed to do that. Coming in over Mike Lowry's factory.
Zelienople traffic, Skylane 364, turning final, runway 35, full stop, Zeli.
Lovely town of Zeli. Alright, so you're on localizer.
Full flaps.
Yep, full flaps. And you can slow her down to 80 miles an hour and trim the nose up this time, you know? Give it a couple... Yeah, okay. Get it to 80. Okay, that looks good. Now, give it a couple turns of the trim up, you know, nose up. There you go. Now you can fly the airplane and it'll be a little easier to flare. Keep your eyes way down the runway.
Gotta get this on. Center line.
Yeah, you're not a big fan of the center line.
Normally I am. I don't know what that's about. I was like moving my eyes to like right ahead of the plane to the end of the runway and right back.
That way I know how to sync map. There we go.
Zelienople traffic, Skylane 42364, taking off runway 35, close traffic. Zelienople.
Okay, I'm not really that good for the right seat, but I should be.
See what you got.
Nope.
I didn't realize you had the GoPro going the whole time too. That's gonna be a good video.
That's good stuff, Romulo. Hey, see what this is? That's called the center line.
Oh, okay.
Hey, green, green, green. Flying with the right hand. Give me an airspeed readout.
60, 70,
Hey,
75.
rotate. Up in the air we go. Pull the power a little. Drop a little. Speed's 113. Climbing. Positive rate 1,060 feet per minute. Thing's a freaking great climber now. Pull the power back, pull the prop back. Okay, lean the mixture a little. Cowl flaps are half open.
Zelienople traffic, Skylane 42364, crosswind 35, Zelienople.
Climb at 750 a minute. You watch that a lot whenever you're flying? Do you even know it's there?
I know it's there. Normally I'm looking at just my altitude.
Right. Whenever you're flying IFR, that's very, very important.
Yeah, yeah. I use it a lot on the 6-pack, but...
Yeah, unfortunately we took that out of this one. No?
Yep. Hidden from me now.
Yep.
Zelienople traffic, Skylane 42364, turning left downwind, Zelienople 35, full stop.
Alright. 20 inches of manifold pressure room, 2350 RPM. Lean the mixture. Okay. 19 inches of manifold pressure. Okay, gas, good. Undercarriage, good. Down welded mixtures, fine. Prop. Carb heat on there. First notch of flaps. Okay. And visual 3.5 activate set. Look how pretty the city is out there.
I know.
That's Cranberry, actually. City's way past it.
Yeah, you can see in the distance.
No.
Not especially pretty right now, though.
No. Okay, pull the nose up to get below 110, Rome.
Yep.
There's my 110, 20 degrees, call base.
Zelienople traffic, Skylane 42364, left base 35, full stop, Zelienople.
Fires.
Ooh, I'm high. Full flaps.
Oh, yeah, you are.
Way high. This should be interesting.
You'll be fine with full flaps.
Look how high I am.
Full power.
Yep.
Zeli traffic, Skylane 42364, final 35, Zeli.
Good news is this thing dives well too. 94 miles an hour.
Perfect. You haven't gained anything.
Nope.
You're losing some speed.
1,400 feet. Bring the power back in. Okay.
85.
Alright, good.
80.
80?
Yep.
Well, let me go below it.
79, 78,
Okay,
77, 76.
Uh-huh. Acceptable.
75, 74. Holding steady at 74.
Woo! Very nice.
Nice.
Oh.
At least you know what the center line.
Yeah. Alright, that's cool. I feel good about that one.
Yeah, that was good.
Alright, flaps up. I do it prematurely because I'm experienced in this thing. You wait till you get off the runway typically in most airplanes, okay? Carb heat in. Flaps open.
Lean mixture. Okay. Zeli, Skylane 42364, clear the active taxi back to the box hangars. Zelienople.
Like that call.
Okay.
Mean the mixture. Okay.
This thing seems like sink fast at the end, you know, at the bottom.
Yeah, it does. Once you level off and you
Yep.
don't have once once you're not going downhill, it does work.
That was fun.
That was. I'm not